In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the SE-C3500 register. Now, factory reset will obviously set the machine back to factory default, so you'll lose all programming and all sales data, so only proceed if you're happy with this scenario. To perform the factory reset, you need the PGM key and you need to turn it to the off position. You then press and hold down the journal feed button, turn the key to PGM and release journal feed. When the display reads init followed by lots of zeros, type in the following code 17240 and then press the subtotal key. The machine will now take a minute or so to perform the initial reset or factory reset, and when it's finished you'll be returned to the main PGM settings menu and the machine will print out a receipt which will contain at the end of it the code 17240, so you'll know the factory reset has been performed. There's a couple of other ways of double checking that you've totally wiped the machine, so you can go into the programming mode and check that the programming's all back to the default, and you can also run a Z report or an X report which will all be at 0. The other way of telling is also when you turn the key back to the reg mode, your counter should be set to 2, because this is the first thing it's printed out. So this is the reset and that was the first counter recorded by the machine, and the next transaction you carry out will be counter number 2. So if we have a look in the programming mode, just to prove the point, department settings are all back to default, so they're all just at depth with no prices or any special settings. And if we come out of there back to the main PGM menu, you can also run an X report or a Z report and this will all be at 0. So you see the counter's moved up. The first transaction was the reset, the second transaction was my department, and the third transaction is this X report that's just printed out now, which is all at 0. For more information on the SE-C3500 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.